I'm just filming this real quick on my break from work. So I wanted to go ahead and show you guys my FabFitFun. So I have it right here. It's got like a birthday cake kind of thing for spring. It looks really cute. So let's go ahead and get into it. Thought I'd cut that. Okay. So inside is just pretty simple and plain like this. And let's see what we have in here. So these are just like little inserts and stuff it gives you. Okay, so I'm gonna set it down and I'm gonna have to like lean over to get stuff. First thing I have in there is this. I don't remember what I got. I think this is a necklace. So first thing in here is this. It comes in its nice little pack. So it is this really, really pretty necklace. It's got like, it's gold and then it's got like these blue stones in it. I don't know if you guys can see that. So it's like really pretty. I really like it. So that is the first thing that I got here. Next up in here, I got this from Earth Harbor. I love Earth Harbor. I got them in, I think it was, the first time I got them might have been either in this box or an Ultra, I don't remember. But they are amazing. This is the Earth Harbor Azure Regenerative Neck Cream. Let me see what the benefits are. Inspired by smooth seas on a crystal clear day, Azure Regenerative Neck Cream is the main cell for delicate neck and chest skin to feel plump, firm, and lifted. Smooth, fine lines and wrinkles, while brightening a clouded complexion and richly hydrating skin with a seaworthy formula of seaweed amino acids. Copper peptides and bounty of treasured botanical actives run a tight ship with this bouncy, lightweight, oil-free gelled cream. So it's pretty much just a neck cream. I think it should help with like wrinkles and stuff. But it looks like this. And then, let me see. It doesn't have a super strong smell, but the light smell smells pretty good. And it's just like this clear kind of gel formula. I love all of their stuff, so I'm sure that I'll love this too. And it all comes in like this nice glass packaging, which is really nice. So that is that. Next up in here, I have these. So let me see what these are. Wearable wellness patches for all that life throws your way. All patches go on when you need it, off when you don't, offering discreet solutions with added functional benefits. So these are the Good Patch B12 Awake, which comes with 4 patches. It says, stuck in an afternoon slump, this patch is complete with caffeine, B12, and green tea to give your day a boost. It's got 15 milligrams of caffeine, green tea extract, and vitamin B12 and adhesive. Pill and place 1 patch on the inside of the wrist, or any venous area that is clean and dry. Patch may be worn up to 12 hours. And then you peel it and throw it away when you're done. It does say that these are not reviewed by the Food and Drug Administration. But this is for Awake, and then there's one that says Dream. And it's complete with melatonin, hops, and valerian root to give you the quality shut-eye you've been craving. It has 10 milligrams of melatonin, hops, valerian root, black pepper extract, and adhesive. So it sounds like you just stick these to like your wrist or something, and then I guess it like releases stuff into your body. It sounds kind of cool. I've never had anything like this. I've never tried anything like this, but they both come with 4. So I will give these a try and let you guys know what I think. If one can make me feel more awake, that would be amazing. Sleep isn't usually a huge issue for me. I might have my husband try that one, but awake would be good for me. So we're gonna give it a shot and see. Next thing I have in here, I love Better Than Sex mascara. So when I saw this, it is the Better Than Sex eyeliner, and I was just like, yes, I want to try that because I haven't tried this yet. So this is, I'm pretty sure it's a felt tip if I'm not mistaken, but I want to see if I can get it out. There we go. Their packaging feels really nice. It is Easy Glide waterproof liquid eyeliner. Yes, so it is a felt tip. I don't know if it'll, yeah. So love felt tip, they're my favorite. Cannot wait to try this. I will let you guys know on my blog if I like it or not. But I'm very, very excited about that. I also have this in here which I'm very excited about. So let me go ahead and take it out. I don't know about the camel color, but we're gonna see. Oh, it's a two-piece. Okay, I thought this was like a one-piece. So it comes with these little shorts, which I feel like would be really good sleep shorts. And then it comes with this top here. I really thought that this was a romper, you guys. I might have gone with the smaller size. We'll see how they fit. I might try them on for you guys, we'll see. But this is super cute. It is NYDJ, fit is everything. It says denim made by women for women. The eternal struggle to find jeans with that perfect fit ends here. This is not denim, this is like a chill sit, but yeah. I will see if I can try this on for you guys in this video. If I forget, I'm sorry, but I'll try it. But that is that. There we go. So this is the outfit. I'm not sure how I feel about it. It does fit fine. I don't think I would wear this as like a piece together, but it is kind of pajama-y, so I don't know. But this is the outfit. The shorts do fit fine. There's not really an issue with them. It's okay. I don't know how I feel about it. Like, this is how it is. Like, it's fully coverage and everything, but I don't know. I just don't know exactly how I feel about this color on me. But it is very, very soft. Like, the material is really nice. I feel like I might actually wear this as just a tank top, and then maybe, like, the shorts as, like, sleep shorts or something. But, I don't know. Yeah, this is the outfit, if you guys like it. I don't have a whole lot to say about it other than that. Like, it's really soft, it fits well. Not sure how I feel about the color and everything, but it's cute. And yeah. So this is the outfit. I probably will have inserted this right after I showed you guys, hopefully. I'm not sure. But yeah. And then I think this is the last thing in here. Yes, so I have this. I'm gonna need to get some scissors to get this out. Before I take it out, it says that this bag is made from recycled materials, and it's June Shine is the brand, I guess. Oh, it does have a tear thing, but I already got the scissors out. So this is supposed to be like a little cooler bag, which I thought was really cute. Me and my husband spend a lot of time outside during the summer, so I was just like, it would be nice to have like a little bag. So it's kind of, let me see if I can like unfold it. It's got these like cute little fruits all over it. And let me see if I can. It's been like put in that thing. So it's a pretty decent sized bag, if you see. So I figured that when he's playing disc golf, I can keep like extra water and snacks or something in here. But it's from June Shine. It's an insulated cooler bag. It doesn't really have a whole lot of information other than that about the brand, but I thought this was super cute. It's like a pink and like teal white with the fruits on it. So this is really cute. It'll be really good, just like a small bag I can carry with us. And it seems pretty sturdy. I don't want to put anything super heavy in it, but like it seems like a good bag. So that is that. So that is all of the things that I got in here. Like I said, I'll try and insert a clip of trying on the outfit as well. If you might have already seen that, or I might put it at the end, I'm not really sure. But that is that. I only have like 5 minutes before I have to go back to work, so I need to go ahead and wrap this up. But I hope that you guys enjoyed this. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and let me know if you want to see more like this. And I will see you guys later. Bye, guys.